Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's jump straight into this makeup look with Juvia's Place. Let's start with the eyes. For the crease, I'm going into my Nubian 2 palette in the shade Kenya. This shade is more of a rich brownish black, which made it a little harder to blend, but we'll make it work. Next, for the brow area, I'm going into the Zulu Palette for the second shade, which is a yellow color. After carving out the halo, now I'm going into the Magic Mini palette for the color Nubian. This color is more of a goldish, brownish shade, and the camera just doesn't do it justice. With my skin prepped, now I'm ready for foundation. For foundation, I'm using the I Am Magic foundation in the color Gabon. This color seems really yellow on camera, but it's really pretty in person. For this video, I'm mainly focusing on Juvia's Place products, but any products that I use that's not Juvia's Place, I'll list them in the description below. For highlight, I'm using the I Am Magic foundation stick in the color Cameroon. To set my under eye, I am using the I Am Magic setting powder in White Sands. To set the rest of my face, I'm using the color Gobi. For blush, I'm using the Sarah Hobb Blush Palette Volume 2 in the color Sola. For the inner corner, I'm going back into the Nubian 2 palette and I'm using the color Zuri, which I will also apply to my cheeks because this is a really pretty highlighter color. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.